Imagine this. It's late at night. You're scrolling on your phone when suddenly the lights flicker and everything goes dark. The fridge goes quiet. The AC shuts off. The hum of electricity disappears. Within seconds, your home feels different. And you realize you don't know how long this blackout will last. It could be 2 hours. It could be 3 days. This is reality for millions of people every year. From Texas to California, Puerto Rico to New York, blackouts are becoming more common and more dangerous. But here's the good news. If you prepare the right essentials, a blackout doesn't have to be chaos. It can be an inconvenience, not a crisis. Welcome to the Practical Prepper Network. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 10 most important essentials for surviving a power outage, along with practical tips, brand recommendations, and real-life lessons from past blackouts. Essential number 1, reliable lighting. When the power goes out, light is your first need, not just for visibility, but for safety and morale. Candles might seem like a quick fix, but here's the truth. In blackouts, candles cause fires. After Hurricane Sandy, dozens of house fires were linked to open flames during outages. Instead, rely on LED lighting. Phoenix PD35 flashlight. Bright, durable, perfect for daily carry. Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp frees up your hands for tasks. Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 lantern lights an entire room, doubles as a USB charger. Pro tips: store glow sticks, safe for kids, great for hallways. Keep a tiny keychain flashlight on your keys. It sounds small, but in total darkness, it's a game changer. Always store extra lithium batteries. They last far longer than alkaline. Essential number 2, safe cooking options. The first few hours of a blackout, people grab snacks, but by day 1, you'll need hot meals and boiled water. Here are a few options. Propane camping stove, Coleman Classic. Reliable with cheap fuel. Butane single burner stove, small, lightweight, used in restaurants. Rocket stove, burns twigs and scrap wood, no fuel cans required. Warning, please never cook indoors without proper ventilation. Carbon monoxide poisoning is the #1 killer during blackouts with generators and stoves. During the 2021 Texas freeze, families tried heating food inside with charcoal grills. Several never woke up. Always use stoves outdoors or in a garage with doors fully open. Essential number 3, food storage and backup supplies. Here's a myth. My fridge will keep food good for days. Reality? After 4 hours without power, refrigerated food enters the danger zone. Freezers last longer, 24 hours half full, 48 hours full, but only if you keep the door closed. Pro tips: freeze jugs of water ahead of time. They keep food cold longer and become drinking water as they melt. Group frozen food together. A packed freezer holds cold better. Mark fridge items with tape. Eat first. This prevents waste when power returns. Backup food you should store now. Mountain House freeze-dried meals. Long shelf life, lightweight. Canned meats and soups. Tuna, chicken, beans. High-energy snacks, trail mix, protein bars, peanut butter. And yes, don't forget a manual can opener. It's the #1 forgotten item in emergency kits. Essential number 4, water supply. Most people assume taps will work in a blackout, but water systems rely on pumps. If the grid's down long enough, water pressure fails, or worse, contamination happens. Rule of thumb: 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days minimum. That's drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. Water solutions. Life straw filter. Lightweight, personal use. Sawyer Mini filters 100,000 gallons, attaches to bottles. Berkey Gravity Filter, long-term family solution. During the Texas 2021 blackout, entire towns had to boil water. But without power, boiling wasn't an option. Those with stored water and filters didn't have to risk drinking unsafe water. Essential number 5. Backup power. Your phone, radio, even medical devices are powerless without electricity. Start small. Anchor Power Core 20,000 milliamp hours. Charges a phone 5 to 6 times. Jackery Explorer 300. Portable station for lights, laptops, CPAPs. Goal Zero Yeti 500X. Bigger option, even runs mini fridges. Pair with solar panels like the Jackery Solar Saga 100. A sunny day can recharge your station. Myth bust. Generators solve everything. Truth. Generators are noisy, need fuel, and can't be run indoors. A small solar power bank is often safer and more practical for short blackouts. Essential number 6. Communication tools. When cell towers overload, you'll need backup communication. NOAA weather radio, Midland ER210. Hand crank, solar, USB charging. Two-way radios like Motorola Talkabout let families coordinate. Whistle, low-tech, but life-saving if trapped or cut off. In Puerto Rico's 2017 blackout, information was scarce. People with radios knew where relief stations were. Those without were completely in the dark. Essential number 7. Temperature control. Extreme heat or cold kills more people in blackouts than the blackout itself. For cold, wool blankets or a 0-degree Fahrenheit sleeping bag. Sol Emergency Bivy. Cheap, packs tiny, reflects body heat. Mr. Heater Buddy. Propane, indoor safe if vented. For heat, USB or battery fans. Cooling towels. Light, breathable clothing. During California's rolling blackouts, elderly residents without fans or AC collapsed from heat exhaustion. Something as simple as a hand fan and water could have prevented it. Essential number 8. Sanitation and hygiene. When the power goes, so does sanitation. No flushing toilets if water's out. Solutions: wet wipes and hand sanitizer. Heavy-duty trash bags for waste. 5-gallon bucket plus disposable liners equals emergency toilet. Pro tip: sprinkle kitty litter and bags to control odor. During the Haiti earthquake response, poor sanitation spread more disease than injuries from the quake itself. Essential number 9. Security and safety. Blackouts create opportunity for theft. Even short ones can cause tension. Essentials: flashlights by every bed. Extra locks or door security bars. Pepper spray, where legal. And most importantly, community. In long blackouts, neighborhoods that organized patrols had far fewer problems. Essential number 10. Entertainment and comfort. Survival isn't just about gear, it's about morale. For kids, books, coloring, small toys. For adults, card decks, board games, pre-downloaded shows on a tablet with a power bank. Pro tip: comfort foods help too. Chocolate, coffee, or instant noodles boost spirits. Mistakes to avoid: don't use grills indoors. Carbon monoxide is silent, deadly. Don't assume food is safe. When in doubt, throw it out. Don't wait until the lights go out to prepare. So ask yourself, if the power went out tonight, would you be ready? With these 10 essentials, you won't panic. You'll light your lantern, heat up a meal, and know your family is safe. Start building your blackout kit today. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.